Good morning students. Today we see formula for the area of a rectangle. So in this rectangle ABCD, length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. We divides each length and breadth in 1 centimeter each. Each side is divided into 1 centimeter. So in rectangle ABCD, 3 rows and 5 squares have been created. The number of square in rectangle ABCD is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, the area of rectangle ABCD is 15 square centimeter. Now see second example. In rectangle with sides 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. See, this is rectangle, side is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Make squares of each square centimeter each as shown in the above. So, count the number of squares. Count the number of squares. So, there are 8 squares. We have see here there are 8 squares. So, we get formula the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Also, we have see here formula for the area of a square. Look at this square. See here the length is 3 centimeter. Each side is 3 centimeter. There are 3 rows and 3 squares each. So, there are 3 into 3 is equal to 9 squares. The length of each side of the square is 3 centimeter. The product of the two sides of the square is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So, therefore, we get formula the area of a square is equal to length of a side into length of a side. We get this formula. Now we see some word problems. First problem we see here. What is the area of a rectangle of length 20 centimeter and width 15 centimeter? Area of rectangle we know is equal to length into breadth. So, here length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. This is equal to 300 square meter. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 300 square meter. See second example. The wall that is 4 meter long and 3 meter wide has to be painted. If the labor charges are rupees 25 per square meter, what is the cost of labor for painting this wall? So, first we have to calculate area of the wall to be painted, and formula is area of the wall is equal to length of the wall into breadth of the wall. We know here length is 4 and breadth is 3. So, multiply it and we get 12 square meter. Now, the labor cost of 1 square meter is 25 rupees. So, the labor cost for 12 square meter will be 12 into 25 is equal to 300. So, the cost of labor for painting the wall will be 300 rupees. Now, see third example. What will be the area of the square with sides 15 centimeter? Area of a square is equal to length of side into length of side, and side is 15. So, 15 into 15 is equal to 225. So, the area of the square is 225 square centimeter. Now, see fourth example. One side of a square room is 4 meter. If the cost of labor for laying 1 square meter of the floor is 35 rupees. What will be the total cost of labor? So here first we must find the area of square room. So the area of square room is equal to length of side into length of side, and it is square room, so 4 into 4 is equal to 16. The area of square room is 16 square meter, and the labor cost of laying 1 square meter of flooring is 35 rupees. Therefore, the cost of laying 16 square meter of flooring is 16 into 35. Multiply it, we get 560 rupees. So, the total cost of labor is 560 rupees. Thank you.